Hi, I'm Will Johnston, the Executive Director of the Microlife Institute and Tiny House Atlanta, and we are sitting in our tiny office in Atlanta, Georgia. The purpose of the tiny house office is to show utilization of space in a metropolitan area. If there's an unused lot or an unused park or an unused whatever, we're able to place it, put it there, and be able to utilize that space. What I love about Atlanta is that it has been home for me for almost 14 years. And the fact that it is the biggest, smallest city I've ever lived in, I can't go anywhere without running to someone I know. And now that I'm deemed dubbed the tiny house guy, I get even more recognition. So it's that small town feel with big possibilities. So a big component to the Microlife Institute and Tiny House Atlanta is our meetup group. And that allows us to spread the knowledge and the motivation and the know-how to go out and talk about finding their perfect home. And whether it be on foundation or on wheels, or it's in the middle of the city, or if it's in the rural areas, what these meetups give us access to are to talented individuals that are looking for new, innovative ways for housing and to find that perfect home. So my idea of what home is a network of awesome people that I'm able to surround myself with. Whether that be blood relatives to best friends to that nosy next door neighbor, they all play a part. You know, take mama's family, mesh it with a modern day version of, Friends meets, just a bunch of fun TV shows mashed together. And I really think that is my life. But also food. Home is food. And, being able to invite strangers to friends to family to gather around a table and just break bread with and have great conversations, and whether they be emotional or funny, being able to connect with people, that is home, and that is Atlanta.
Hey guys, Alexis and Christian here with Tiny House Expedition.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And click left or right for more tiny house stories and tours.